Alright, so now we're going to make the finger actuator clamp. That is going to be this little part here that is holding the arm, but it's also eventually going to hold a syringe. So, first thing you want to do, open up a new part, and you're going to create a sketch. And you're going to make a 2-point rectangle. This rectangle is going to be 3 inches wide by 1.5 inches. Now before we extrude, we're going to actually put our circles in before we extrude because there's going to be 2 of them. The first one, the diameter of the circle, is going to be 0.75, and it is going to be 0.75 from the bottom. Mine already is. And then from the side is going to be 0.75. The second circle is going to be 0.5 in diameter, and it is also going to be 0.75 from the bottom and 0.75 from the side. Now we can go ahead and extrude that, and we're going to extrude it to 0.75. And the last thing we're going to do is fill it. So we're going to fill at the outside edges. And the fillet for this is going to be 0.75. And that's it. That's your finger actuator clamp. It's part 7. So save it as finger actuator clamp.